Okay, technical analysis. That's how it sees. So if you knew that company in 2002, you could buy it for $1.70, and now it's $59. So can you imagine such a huge profit, right? So in that particular time. Now, if we go for recent year, so like few recent years, it's 2017. We can see from 2017, 2018, 2000 until 2019, there was a very good growth. And this is the drop in 2019. And again, remember guys, what happened? It's went from $74, it's dropped to nearly $43 here. So it's quite a huge drop. Imagine if you own that company, you would be really like emotionally involved in that. If you put $74,000 and now it's only $45,000, not everyone can handle it, believe me. And the main reason because they were buying all this huge company. And interesting enough, if you look at profitability, we looked at financial statements. At that particular year, profit was going up. It didn't go down. The revenue grew up. It didn't go down. But still, people were panicking and selling off those shares. That's why when we talk about value investing, you have to have certain charisma. I mean, in the sense that you have to go against the market when you're doing something like that. Yes, it will be. Yes, Maria, it will be. They will ask if it's going to be recorded. It's going to be recorded, and it's going to be sent tomorrow for those guys who can stay until there. Okay. Now, what we can see in then it starts recovering pretty quickly, and probably it would recover straight away, but pandemic started, and you can see on the pandemic it's dropped back to the practically same levels with everything else in the market, and then within just a couple months it's recovered back to the highest point. All right, and that's where already results of that acquisition they start coming to the market. When we got financial reports from the company, and people saw that integration actually happened pretty well, and the company is making more money, and that's how quickly price grew again. And for the last year, as you can see, with all these political changes, pandemic changes, people expectation, the earnings grew. Like we saw 50% growth from 2019 to now, and still the price level is low. Why? I believe personally that's it's emotional fear which have a lot of people in the market. Now that's how it looks in more details for the last couple of months since March. That's the drop, pandemic drop after that huge recovery, quickly recovery, right? And then kind of goes sideways. And a couple of times we can see for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 months, we can see that it's touched this level around $58. Once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Now, after earnings, it's kind of a bit dropping. I told you that it's missed for 1 cent of earnings. Now it's kind of dropping. It still grows 40% compared to last year, but it's slightly dropped. Okay, so 1 cent. Also, if we look at those levels, which are here, these are around $60. It happened 1, 2, 3 times, $60. Now, if it breaks this level, so the next level is going to be around $54. And if something happens like regarding the whole market, and we know that the market is overvalued, and anything can trigger this kind of bubble to be burst. So who knows? All right, guys. This is kind of the technical analysis. Who knows how to analyze it? You probably see the support, you see the resistance. You see certain pattern that is going kind of sideways, and you see this triangle as well, all these kind of areas. The question, guys, for you, where would you buy and where would you sell if you do so? If you don't buy, you write down, no, I'm not going to buy this company, I don't like it, or you say, I will probably wait, and tell me what wait, if you wait something, because a lot of people wait for years and never buy it, and they don't know what year would they wait. At least to write down, if you wait for what, okay? And if you decide to, if you like this company, if you buy, where would you enter the position? At the moment, we're not discussing if it is option trading or stock trading. It is at what level you will enter a position, and at what level you exit position, based on both technical and fundamental analysis, which we received right now. Okay, let's have a look who wrote. Okay, just a second. So Nona 58 and 68. Okay, Dmitry 58, 50 and 70. Okay, Rohan 58 to buy and where to sell, and Michal 56 to 68, Max 58 to 65. All right. Okay, great. Anyone else? We have more people here. Don't be shy, guys. This is the most important part. It's to make a decision. Majority of people on the stock market, they just sitting and watching, and very often for them to make a difficult decision. So if you keep learning how to make this decision, it would be much easier in real life. So that's why I constantly ask this question, because it's a safe environment to do it. Okay. And okay, Rohan 74 to sell, Williams 58 and 69. Okay, great, guys. Fantastic.